All right, today this video is going to do a quick video here on this engine hoist. We had a little problem with this ram. It's a pretty slow travel when I pump it up. Probably goes about 3/4 of an inch from the top all the way to the back. It's just not functioning properly. It's been like this since I bought this used. So let's quickly check it out. So I'm gonna pump this up all the way to the top, and then it goes down, and you can see that's it. It only goes like so tiny, so it takes a while to bring the engine up, especially if you're doing like a engine swap or transmission swap. So today we're just gonna quickly show you how to fix this problem. So first, we're just gonna add it up with this hydraulic jack fluid here. I'm guessing it's a really low fluid, so we'll add it up. There's a port right here to add up the fluid. I'm not sure how many we're gonna put, but let's fill it up a little bit and then close it, and then let's see if it fixes our problem. Just get a flat screwdriver or a flat little pry bar or something like that, and then peel this rubber off. There you go. All right, here we go. Check it out. So it says here, to add oil, collapse the jack fully and add oil up to the oil plug. Use hydraulic jack oil only. So we're gonna collapse it down all the way to the bottom, and then we'll fill her up until the oil start puking on that hole right there. All right, guys, there we go. It start puking now. The oil is coming out, so we're just gonna put the plug back on here. Plug her back in. All right, there you go. Let's give this a try. We'll bring it up. It will cycle the fluid, and then hopefully this will work. It looks like it's getting better now. It's fast. It's faster than before. It's going up a little higher than before. So I guess I'm just gonna leave it like that. You know, the oil and the cylinder is full. Double check. I'm gonna open this up again when it's fully up. I'm gonna open that port and just wanna take a look, see if you could add some more. Let's open this up again. There we go. Close it. Let's bring it back up again. There you go. All right, guys, seems like it's working good. It's a lot faster going up now from before. It's hard to tell. All right, guys, there we go. It's working good. Perfect. That's how you fill up oil on your hydraulic ram right there. Working perfect. Working good. Thanks for watching.